It's a shame so many people struggle with the most common teeth and gum problems when this simple 30-second bedtime warm water ritual helped me reclaim stronger, healthy teeth faster than I thought possible. As a dental hygienist, I'm always interested in the latest dental health techniques for my patients. Recently, at a family dinner, my father, George, a dentist for over 30 years, shared with me an intriguing new discovery. He learned of an amazing bedtime warm water ritual from several patients who began doing this 30-second routine involving common kitchen ingredients in warm water. He was stunned when they came in for cleanings with virtually no plaque buildup, improved their gum recession, and stronger enamel integrity. I'll admit I was doubtful initially, but Dad grinned widely, and his gums were the pinkest I'd ever seen them. He chuckled that he started skipping his own dental visits thanks to this simple ritual he performs each night. Curious, I added the warm water tonic to my own bedtime routine. After just weeks, my sensitive teeth weren't as sensitive, and my husband happily reported less teeth grinding. At my next exam, the hygienist raved that she'd never witnessed such healthy gum tissue and lack of plaque in a patient. She even asked what I was doing differently to improve my enamel so dramatically. My father's 30-second evening ritual for better oral health is so easy to do. Click below now to watch the short video. I'm uncertain how long this will stay up since the dental industry has been fighting to get it taken down. Make sure to watch immediately before it disappears. Just commit to the 30-second warm water ritual nightly and experience the benefits yourself.